Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw Baby Shark from Shark Family. Let's begin by drawing the shape of Baby Shark's head. Next, his dorsal fin. Then, his big eyes. And eyebrow. Let's draw his nose. His mouth is open. Next, his sharp teeth and tongue. I'm drawing the shape of his body and tail. Baby Shark is happy to see you today. Next, his pectoral fin. Then, the shape of his tummy. Together, let's add color to Baby Shark. Brooklyn, also known as Baby Shark, is a small yellow shark. Baby Shark is like a little fish with a big personality. With its cute, round eyes and a tail that wiggles to the rhythm, Baby Shark is the tiniest dancer in the ocean. It's part of a musical family that loves to sing and swim, creating waves of happiness wherever they go. His tongue is color red. His mouth is color brown while his sharp teeth is white. His pectoral fin, body and tail are also yellow. Baby Shark isn't alone in the sea. It has a whole family, including Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, Grandma Shark, and Grandpa Shark. It's like having a fantastic family band that loves to sing and swim together. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.